Hey YouTube fam, this is Trina here. Today we're going to unbox the Sketchbox Holiday 2020. Let's get into it. Okay, we've got the signature paper, which we'll be working on, 140 pound, 300 GSM cold press paper. Okay, let's get started with the pencils. This black is really good. It's real solid black marks. Let's look at some really nice subtle marks, and of course it's really soft lead, but not too soft. So that's really fun. I love that. Let's look at this mechanical pen lead holder. Ooh, I wasn't expecting to like that, but I don't really use a lot of, I'm such an abstract mark maker, I don't really use that, but that's like a nice gray color. Get some pretty good lines with that. Fun. Let's dive into these Kiritaki colors. So the first color we've got here is the, what is that? The Rose Beige. I actually have a set of these in the new colors. Oh, that's a big mark. I will leave a link above to that tutorial. These are really fun. I love these colors. They're super, almost like gouache. So they're a little different than traditional American watercolors or Western watercolors. This is Horizon Blue. That's really nice. I like this brush marker too. I don't think I had a set that I bought and they were cheap and I really hated them. Like it was like torture working with them. Okay, here we have just a gray color. Very nice. And this is the Maroon. Very holiday, very Christmassy. Nice color. I like these colors a lot. This is, we shall see. It's either blue or green. What do we think? It's blue. This is the Blue Gray Deep. Very nice. And then this is the Turquoise Green Deep. Neat. Those are fun. Okay, this is the Copper from Copic. I have a few Copic markers, but mine are kind of old. This is the chisel tip. You can make some really interesting marks with those. And the brush tip. Feathering. And then we have the Sketchbox signature marker, which is in Praline. What color do we think Praline is? Let's start with the chiseled side. Oh, it's like copper, like a copper color. Is this water soluble? It doesn't say. I don't think it is. I think these are alcohol based. I know the Copics are, but I don't know about these. Big fat brush, big fat tip. I like that. So looking for that. Kind of neat. Here we have the Aqua Pen Graphics and a brush tip and a thin tip. See how that looks over that color. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to draw. I might just do an abstract. I might surprise you all and actually draw something. Like draw. Because I do know how to do that. I just don't do it very often. It's very fluid. I like that one. Not sure about the color, but we could probably make that work. Okay, so then we have the Pitt Artist in Gold. Let's go down here. It's a little green to me. I still see. I can still see. And then we have the Pitt marker in, oh, that one's kind of squished, in silver. That's weird. It's all squished down. What is up with that? It still works, but I need to figure out how to get that out of there. The little tweezers, I can get it out. Fun. We've got this white Contour pencil. Let's just try it over this color since our paper is white. Oh, that's fun. Not sure, like I said before, I'm not sure how much I will use a white. Doesn't really go over these. Oh, there's got some little marks there. I'm really liking this color right here. Actually, all of those are really nice. I think we're definitely going to have to emphasize a watercolor in the work. I'm not sure which one we're going to use. Of course, we have this chisel blender, and I put out some of the Higgins ink, the copper. Oh, that's nice. Very subtle. Got some water in there. It dries pretty fast. That's neat. I like that. Shake this up. And this is the liquid chrome. Let's see what that's all about. Ooh. Oh, shiny. That's fun. Do some dots. Color over other things. But chrome everywhere. Okay. Let's see how shiny that is. Alright, well that's it for the swatching. I will be back tomorrow with another video and make a drawing for you with these supplies. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.